Happy Friday, everyone. I thought to record this video because of our upcoming business training. You might have seen this in our social media post, and I want to share with you a little bit more in details what this upcoming business training is all about. So let me just quickly share my screen as I speak here. So the upcoming business training that is happening is Work Productivity Online Live Workshop. And it's really a hands-on practical workshop where you will get tips for better work productivity. So if you're struggling to be productive running your small business, if you are a micro business, a solo entrepreneur, if you are a small business owner and really are struggling or overcoming big, overwhelming projects, or being accountable to your business goals, or being focused in delivering your work, and struggling a little bit on how to prioritize, then this 45 minutes online live workshop is for you. So during those 45 minutes, I will share some tips on how you can work faster and more efficiently, better. In this live business training, you will get a copy of the presentation that I will cover. You will also get the printables, the support documents that I will share during the training. And you will also be able to access the online live business group for follow-up sessions. So this workshop is for beginners or intermediate level small business owners, or micro business or solo entrepreneurs. And the style of delivery is very much friendly, energetic, and impactful. So you can really put in application the things that I will share during this live workshop. And it is going to be a dialogue. So not just me talking, but also getting you to interact. And I had some amazing feedback from previous delivery of this workshop. Ariane delivered a really positive session to our mentoring group, lots of hands-on practical tips, and engage with everybody, individual circumstances. Amazing explanation and wonderful energy from another attendee, and really helpful from another one. Now we currently have a special offer, early bird general admission, where you're saving £10 on the actual ticket price. So you can purchase it now. So it's £25 instead of 35. So you can purchase your early bird ticket now. And if you are a member of the Creative Network, then you can register online for free to attend that training, but you must book your ticket online here. So do get booking. It's going to be Friday, 26th of November in the morning at 10 a.m. for 1 hour, 45 minutes delivery, and we allow a little bit of time for Q&As and interaction. So really, work productivity, a game changer for small business owners. And we will really excited to have you join us for this training. So if you have any questions, just drop us a line. Otherwise, we will see you on Friday, 26th at 10 a.m. Bye for now.